Hello there, welcome back. What I want to do is just provide you with some information in regards to circuit symbols, okay? And remember that these symbols are always updated or open to change. Now, to make sure you stay on top of your symbols, always refer to the on-site guide or to the IEE regulations or IET regulations, okay? Now, all I'm going to do here is just to take you through a few of these. Now, the explanation given in each case will explain in full the purpose of each symbol. Okay? Hang on, let me just go back up, make sure I'm in the right place. Thank you. Good. Okay. Now, there's nothing for me to say here other than to make you be aware that these symbols should always form part of any technical drawings or any illustrations that you need to give to others, okay? To make sure that you're familiar with these and that they relate to the symbols as specified in the IEE regs or stroke IET. Now again here, I don't need to read anything out to you. These are socket outlets and the symbols quite clearly tells you what they are, okay? And where they are used and their purpose. If you need to know more specific, again, look at the IE regs. That gives you your up-to-date information, especially as the new regs came out in 2018. Okay. Now again, remember you can pause this for yourselves when you're viewing the video. Okay. So feel free to do that. I'll just pan back a bit so we can get all the information in. Now I've just put a little note at the bottom, okay? Just to make you be aware that. Okay. And I'll just pan out a bit so you can see it in full. Okay. Okay, that will be it for now. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye for now.